Hello everyone. In this video, I wanted to talk about something that's very related for creators like me who are more on the technical side when it comes to building things, to get more into the designer side, to understand how that artistic look of creating content or building thumbnails. So this week, let's jump into Claude and see some of these one-off chat that I've been doing to change my thumbnail. I don't want you to miss any of these updates that I have. I wanted to share with you all on how to build more effectively and more efficient with the AI tools that you have. Let's get started. So firstly, I wanted to show you something I found fascinating. I recently asked Claude to audit one of my YouTube thumbnails, this one to be specific. This video was about connecting Claude to Canva for presentations. If you missed the video, here's a link to take a look. Now, I'll be honest, I designed this thumbnail myself. I thought it looked cute with this game style design type of font, but it actually had a typo. It says game change instead of game changer. It's a game changer, right? But look at the feedback Claude gave me. And this is a one-off chat that I've done. It actually did an audit for a thumbnail analysis. A great job to help me as a creative partner. It told me that my face looked clear, I was smiling, I was friendly, this is the strongest asset. I have brand consistency in terms of the design for the channel, and I do have contrast, right? My face will pop up against a dark background, which are the good things. However, it caught the mistake that I did for game change, right? This is too small. It needs to take up about 40% on the screen and to be readable on a mobile feed. And on top of that, it also told me that I should do a mop. It also gave me a mock-up on what Claude would recommend me to do. I specifically love this mock-up because it's very clear, right? It fixed my typo from game change to game changer. It told me that me as a picture should be on the left 2/3, my face as a close-up, and then I need to have bigger, bold, white text on purple background, and have the Canva logo to be smaller in the corner even. So look at this, right? It is very good to show me all these typo fixing, give me suggestions, and I made the change based on that specific design. So I have changed this thumbnail exactly as Claude asked me to, and then I uploaded again, and Claude told me that this one looked much better, right? It has what is working now. I have huge text, which I think is too big, but from a thumbnail perspective, it's just the right size. I now have clearer hierarchy and the app icons are positioned well right now. It even helped me to change the font as well as give them more suggestions on the background colors. So I loved that one-off chat. The major flaw of these one-off chat, they're totally isolated, which means every time you start a new chat, you lose the momentum. In a regular chat, you have no consistent memory, meaning that you would be stuck repeating your context over and over again. Now, some of you might say, doesn't Claude have a memory feature now? And yes, it does. Claude can remember small details across chats, but here is where the frustration kicks in. It's designed for brief snippets and information, not the deep, heavy context we need for a full video production. If you try to feed it your entire editing workflow, your full brand kit, 10 different type of script templates, you'll hit a wall. Plus, the memory isn't available for everyone yet and can sometimes be inconsistent if the context gets too complex. You don't have time for a creative assistant who only remembers the highlights and forgets the bigger picture. So that's a wall I kept hitting. Claude remembers the small stuff, but not the whole picture of my channel. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how I fix this by building a Claude project that actually knows my brand, my style, and my workflow. If you don't want to miss it, hit subscribe. I'll see you over there.